Hello, I'm Robert Parker, the tutor for your course, An Introduction to Family History Research. Why should you take this course? Well, first of all, I'm a professional and qualified genealogist, so I know what I'm talking about. Secondly, the tips and techniques used in this course are tried and tested. They work. I've used them in record offices, on the internet, and they really do work and reveal your ancestors' stories. They enable you to build an accurate family tree. Next is the fact that many TV shows abound, many websites, thousands and thousands of record sets. Where do you start? If you've started your family history, how do you continue your family history? How do you record it? How do you organise the research? This introduction course will start you on that journey to providing an accurate family tree. The course is based on UK records, but wherever you are in the world, the course will be applicable. The tips and techniques I talk about will work in any family history research. Subjects covered. Start here. Why research your family history? How to start researching your family history. Recording information accurately. Using databases and indexes. The vital records. Summary. So who is this course suitable for? Well, it's suitable for anyone who's interested in their family history, their ancestors and the stories their ancestors might tell. If you'd like more information on each of the sections of the course, have a look at the free previews. Otherwise, what are you waiting for? Let's get going. Sign up for the course and start learning and start discovering your family history.